Hello friends, welcome to my channel DevopsVijay. Today we will be learning about how to create a sample project in Maven. Why I am saving Maven? Maven is having its own folder structure and Maven has some plugins or the functionalities called archetype. Using that we can create a sample project which will create all the folder structure, even the default pom.xml. So using one command, we will be able to generate a complete project, and even it will create one single sample source file and one test file to test that source code. So it will be very easy. Let's follow up. So let's go to one of the location. Like I have created, if you see, I have created one folder, Maven project. Inside that, I am going to fire a maven command to generate a sample project with all the folder structure in place. Okay. First of all, before firing maven command, make sure maven is installed. So command for that, maven hyphen hyphen version. If you see, Apache Maven 3.9 is installed. I'll give the link in the description for the installation of Maven. Now the next command will be maven archetype generate. Maven archetype, give a space, maven archetype generate. Now along with this you have to give some parameters or the user variables, like how your group ID will look like, what is the name of your project like artifact ID, and which archetype we are going to use, and whether we are going to use this in interactive mode or not. Okay, so you have to give the rt group ID first, group capital ID colon. You can give a group ID should be like unique, like I will give you com.devops.demo hyphen d artifact id artifact id equal to, here also it will be equal to, I'll give maven java project. Okay, hyphen d artifact id equal to. Now these two variables are specific to our project which I am going to generate. Now this will be specific to this archetype, where I am going to mention what kind of project I am going to generate, whether it is a web app project which will create a war file, whether it is a quick start project. So right now we will do the quick start project. Maven hyphen arche archetype hyphen quick start hyphen d interactive mode equal to false. Click enter. It will download all the required plugins or the dependency to use this archetype facilities present in Maven. It will download all these things in m2 folder. I'll show you the location of .m2 folder where it will download, and using those jars and plugins it will create the complete folder structure in the current location, and it will create a sample project. After that we are ready to just add our source code, or we can just build that project itself. You can see on the screen it is going to the central repo, which is repo.maven.org. This is present, this is over the internet. Now you can see the downloading has finished. It has downloaded finally the maven archetype quickstart.jar, and using that it has created a package com.devops.demo which I have given. If I give, this is the group ID which I had given, com.devops.demo, and our project name was maven-javaProject. Okay, these two are the input we have given as a user. Okay, let's go to the folder and let's check what this command has done. Okay, if you see, it has created a project called Maven Java project, which is called Artifact ID. If you go inside this, this is the Maven folder structure also. So it has generated one source folder, one pom.xml. Inside source, you'll see main and test. Main is having all the source code, test is having all the test code. Okay, so this is the folder structure you have to follow in Maven. Main Java, then from here the group ID will start. The source main Java is fixed. After that, our group ID, whatever we have given .com.devops.demo, it will create a separate folder for that, com.devops.demo, and it has created one sample source code also. Similarly for test Java, source test Java is fixed folder. After that, com devops demo is there, which we had given, and test Java. So this is how we have created a sample project. That was a type of quick start. Okay, now we will try to build this project. Okay, let's build this project. So we'll fire the next command, maven clean package. Maven clean package. It has failed. Why? Because we have to go inside the Maven project where the pom.xml is there. Always all the Maven command will work. Build related command will work wherever the pom.xml or the root folder is there. So I have went inside into the project. Again fire the same command, maven clean package, and now it has started building. You can see pom.xml. It is again downloading some jars which is needed for this project to build. So this is the beauty of Maven. It helps in the dependency management very efficiently. You do not have to worry about any dependency. It will automatically check the dependency, what is needed for a particular project, and it will download everything and keep it in local. Build is successful. Now how do we check if build is successful or not? Okay. Let's go to the folder. It has created, if you see, it has created a target folder. Inside that, it has created a class, generated source, so many folders, and finally one jar file. So this is our output and our build is successful. If you want to test, let's go inside the classes and we will run our class. Okay. So cd target class Java. Let me clear my screen. Java. What was our group ID? com.devops.demo and dot app. Hello world. This was our sample project and it is executing successfully. But now your question will be why we are executing directly the class, why not the jar file? Why? Because we have not included the main class file, main class in our pom.xml. Even you can do that. How you will do that? Okay, let's come back to the root folder. Okay, here if you see the target is there, let me do the clean, maven clean, mvn clean. Maven clean, what it will do is it will delete all the built artifact which has been generated in local, and it will keep everything clean like before. As soon as I fire the maven clean, build is successful. It has deleted the target folder. Okay, now to make the jar file as an executable format, let's open this pom.xml. Okay, you can see everything it has added: com.devops.demo, maven java project, what is the packaging jar version, this is the our project name, and this is the dependencies. For making our jar file executable, you have to put one plugin which will put the class file as a main class, entry class. Okay, for that I have kept it here. I'll copy this, paste it. If you see, this is the build starting plugins. Okay, build an executable jar file, org apache maven. This is the group id of this jar. maven jar plugin. So it will build a jar with a manifest called my main class as com.devops.demo app. So after putting this entry into the pom.xml, our jar file will be executable jar file. You do not have to go into the class and execute it. You can directly execute your jar file. So I'll give this particular code into the description also. Let's save this, build it again. So the command will be maven. I have already done a clean, no need to do a clean again. Maven package also you can fire. So it will again start packaging it. Now again it is downloading. Why? Because we have included a new plugins called org maven jar. You can see it there, right? So for that, whatever the dependency is there, it will try downloading those dependencies. So now it is downloading it. Now you can see build is successful. Let's go to our folder. Okay, it has again created a target. Everything is there. Now jar is also there. Let's see whether this jar is executable jar or not, whether we can execute this jar and get the output. Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay, let's go to the target folder. I am inside target folder. Jar is here. Let's fire the java command. Java -jar maven. Give the jar name. Click enter. Hello world. You can see the output of the jar has come, hello world. And this is how we create a sample project, and all the source code, even if you are full-fledged development, sample project will look like this folder structure. I hope you like this video. This is how we start with the maven. Thank you for watching this video.